Hello everyone, welcome to episode 11 of English A to Z vocabulary series, where we shall learn 5 K-letter words. But a little before that, we are going to see a word from the previous video. And the word was juggernaut. It has both literal and figurative meaning. We'll start with the literal meaning first. It literally means a large heavy truck. Koi vishal काय वाहन. Now let's move to the figurative meaning. It means a massive, powerful and unstoppable force or institution that crushes everything in its path. जिसे हम कहते हैं कोई प्रभावशाली शक्ति. आइए इसका एक सेंटेंस देखते हैं. The movie turned into a cultural juggernaut by breaking box office records. Now that we have understood the meaning of juggernaut, we are all set to start with the K-letter words. The first K-letter word is kempt. It is an adjective which is used to describe someone or something which is neat and tidy and well groomed. It is often used to refer to a person's appearance. इसे हम कहते हैं साफ सुथरा या सुव्यवस्थित. आइए इसका एक सेंटेंस देखते हैं. She entered the room with a kempt appearance, impressing everyone. Now let's move to the second word, and that is kiln. It's a furnace or oven used for burning or drying materials like pottery, brick or lime. Let's see a sentence. After firing in the kiln, the bricks became much stronger. Let's move to the third word, and that is kiosk. It means a small open-fronted booth used for selling items like newspapers, magazines, snacks or tickets. I hope now it's clear and we can move to the sentence. She bought a magazine from the kiosk at the railway station. Now let's see the fourth word, and that is knack. It means a special skill or talent for doing something easily and well. इसे हम कहते हैं कौशल या किसी कार्य को करने की दक्षता. आइए इसका एक सेंटेंस देखते हैं. He has a knack for solving complex problems quickly. And the last word for the day is kleptomania. It's a psychological disorder characterized by an irresistible urge to steal without an economic motive or personal use. Now let's see a sentence. He has severe kleptomaniac tendencies. This brings me to the end of this lesson, and now here's one for you on the screen. Knuckle. Thank you for joining me for episode 11 of English A to Z vocabulary series. Please try to attempt this word that I left for you, and we'll surely discuss it next Sunday. And I'll see you with the new letter L. Till then, take care. Thank you for watching Anjali Talks.